Hey fam, good morning, good morning, good morning. We back for another grocery haul. We just went shopping for Sunday dinner. So we're gonna go ahead and show you what we got. Something quick, something easy, something simple. You know, we have to make a dessert, something for dinner. They need some snacks for the football game today. So we got some good deals. Let us show you what we got for our family of 6, okay?
Hi y'all.
So here's what we got so far. Now I'm going to add this tomato, okra, and corn to the bag of corn that I bought as the vegetable for tonight. Butter, peanut butter, rice-a-roni. This is actually going to be Barbie's to go in her dog food to help stretch it, but we love rice-a-roni as well. We don't give our dog like the regular kibbles food, so we give her like regular food or the all-natural, like, you know, food like this. So occasionally you will see me buy things, you know, as her. So really we are a family of 7 now, okay? Going to make the cake. So I'm going to make a Kool-Aid cake, and I think I'm going to make an orange flavored Kool-Aid cake today with the little orange Kool-Aid packets. But I did pick up a orange cake as well, and a vanilla one, and then I needed my keto one right there with some mashed potatoes, sugar-free coffee creamer. We needed 2 bags of chips, so these were on sale 2 for $5. Sour cream, and then the regular ripples. And to go with those chips, I'm just going to make some dip with the little ranch packets right here. And we got a good deal on some pork chops today. Bought 2 of them. They both have the bone in. This is the bigger size for $8.51. And then this is the other family pack. They both have the bone in. And this one was for $10. Needed some milk. Need an onion. For the pork chops today, I think I'm going to marinate them in this brown sugar bourbon mix right here and then fry them up. So that should be really good. So at first I was going to do like a blue raspberry lemonade pound cake, but then I was like, let me just go ahead and try it first, and we'll keep it simple with the orange flavor. But if it comes out good, then I'm going to go ahead and experiment with the other flavors like the blue raspberry, which I think. Now for the mashed potatoes and for the dip, here's some sour cream, confectionery sugar. I was mad they didn't have the smaller bag today because I had to pay almost $3 for this big bag, but I guess it comes in handy because we do use confectionery sugar a lot, especially when it comes to us making our homemade glaze or just anything we may want to put some powdered sugar on. And they had these marked down for $2.74. I've never seen these before in there, but it's some teriyaki sirloin beef. So I just picked that up. I didn't know if Daddy may have wanted to try it or if I want to try it. I'm not sure. But I'm going to eat the steak tonight. So I caught this on sale, a T-bone steak and some cauliflower and broccoli mix, and then the corn. So I'm going to add the tomatoes, okra to this right here. Some eggs. And then we did get some ice cream, some French vanilla to go with the cake. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this food away and go ahead and start working on the dinner. Be sure to check out our reels and our videos coming up where you can see everything come together, okay?